from the list that you have received in this book or booklet, I give you a direct link to each unclaimed funds division. So let's go to Georgia now. Department of Revenue for Georgia, welcome to Unclaimed Property Search. So let's do Smith, and we'll do John Smith. Okay, John, and then we're going to search properties. Oh, you have to check this box that says, I hereby certify in accordance with blah, 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 that I possess an interest in the unclaimed property that is the subject of the inquiry. Click it, because you don't know if you're even have a claim yet, so click it, go ahead and search and see what comes up. Then you'll see a ton came up. In fact, there are 25 pages of claims. You have to look at the address, Macon, Georgia, 31216, zip code, and the property number. And then you want to add that to the cart. And you can add multiple. If you find yourself listed somewhere else, you can hit add, and it will go to the claim. Then you simply click claim button, and what's the relationship owner, and then you want to continue search. Let's see. Well, let's go back to the claim and login. So in Georgia, you have to register for an account so that they kind of know who's doing the searches, which is okay. It's no big deal. It'll take you a couple seconds, and it will let them know you're serious about finding out if you have money. Once you do this and you've submitted the claim form, you will receive an email that shows all the documentation you will need to upload to the state of Georgia to satisfy what they're looking for to confirm that in fact you are the person that are owed the money. Write down on a piece of paper all the previous addresses you've had prior to doing an extensive search on here, because if you don't know them, you may miss them. We don't want you to miss them. Now, a lot of these are $50, under $50. Some are more than 50, some are more than 100, and some they just don't want to show you how much money it is because it brings out the greed in people. So make sure you do it right. Look for the email, confirm the email, upload all the documentation, and your claim will be processed within 60 to 90 days. If you claim something and you get a refund, send me a message, let me know how much you got and how long it took.